Do you have faith I can use this bundle and these Vivera course right here to create this? Do you have faith in me? Stay tuned to discover, because this is definitely going to be a deep session of us creating this beautiful hairstyle. Guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel, and I'm hoping that you learned something good today, the DIY way. Let's get right into it. Starting off with prepping my natural hair. If you're a 4C girly like I am, you should prep your hair. Take our time to blow out your hair. I did that a day ago, and I'm just gonna walk with it like this. Because this is a sew-in with cornrows by the side, I had to do this pattern to know exactly where I will be doing the cornrows and where I will be sewing in. Doing this the DIY way, you have to keep your long nails off. You have to take it down for everything to come out well. But I'm such a nail girly with 100+ others, so we just have to roll with it like this. It doesn't need to be perfect, but you get the whole idea. Taking out just enough time to get the cornrows done, and just like the first one, I repeated the same process throughout the hair. And this is exactly how you do your cornrows for this type of sewing. It's a do-it-yourself process, so take our time and do it nicely. Because I'm actually sewing it in, not like the other videos where you see the hair is actually glued to a net. I'm sewing everything in, so the cornrows need to be smooth. With the thread and needle, the cornrows will be very much secured compared to just leaving it like that. This is a synthetic attachment, 2 bundles of it, a bit curly, and I have a spiral curl to blend everything together for the front part. So let's start sewing it in. For a second, I almost forgot my oil, my hair oil. This helps to keep your scalp very much moisturized. You know, hairstyles like this will get your scalp so dry. So it is very crucial to oil it before sewing anything on top of it. When you're using a needle and thread to do your sewing, basically the traditional sewing, you need to get any other hair out of the way. And that is exactly what I'm doing right here. Because you don't want it getting into the way of you trying to sew in your attachment. This is a tedious process, so you want to enjoy every bit of it and take your time as well. When done with the regular pattern, take 2 strands of the attachment and flip it in the opposite direction and sew it in just so it covers any mess going on there and gives it a seamless finish. As for the front part, the reason why I left some more hair on this part of my face is just so I have more to work with when it comes to braid. I do not have hair in front edges, as you can see, so I needed something that will not make it look so obvious, at least on that side. I only had this vision in my head, so basically I'm using the spiral curls, or should I say French curls, the softer version, to normally braid this side of the hair, just to give it a unique kind of sewing, just something different. So basically this might just serve like your next hair inspo, and perhaps it could be done better. And on the side of my face, I am just laying down some very simple tiny cornrows. After looking at this front part a few times, I felt this will be better secured. Back with the needle and trick to get it very much secured and beautiful. A few finishing touches, some trimming, oiling, and that's it.